This will be the best video regarding diabetes, that is high blood sugar, high blood pressure, bad cholesterol, fatty liver, PCOD, that is PCOS, that is hormone problems in female, that is infertility. Okay, so I am going to explain in detail about these 5 diseases within 5 minutes. That's just a 5 minutes video. So what is the reason for diabetes, BP, bad cholesterol, fatty liver, PCOD and PCOS? Can you tell me the answer? Can you tell me the answer for what is the reason for all the 5 diseases which I told you? What is the reason for blood sugar, high blood sugar? What is the reason for high BP? What is the reason for bad cholesterol? What is the reason for fatty liver? What is the reason for PCOD? Write it down. Please write it down in a piece of paper. It is called insulin resistance. Please write it on a piece of paper. Teach your children. Teach your husband. Teach your wife. So what is the reason for high blood sugar? What is the reason for BP? What is the reason for bad cholesterol? What is the reason for fatty liver? What is the reason for PCOD and PCOS? Answer is a single answer. Insulin resistance. Please note it down. Please write it down in a piece of paper. Okay. So what do you mean by insulin resistance? What do you mean by insulin resistance? What is the meaning of the word insulin resistance? High insulin in the blood. It is not low, it is high. Very important. Insulin is very, very high. Insulin is very high in the blood. Please write it down. Insulin resistance means high insulin in the blood. High insulin in the blood. So how to treat insulin resistance? So, and one more thing, high blood insulin is very, very, very dangerous to health. High blood insulin is very, very, very dangerous to health. Write it down in a piece of paper. High, H-I-G-H. It's not low, high. High blood insulin is very, very, very dangerous to health. So how to treat, how to lower this blood insulin? How to lower this blood insulin? How to lower this blood insulin? Balanced diet. Please write it down in a piece of paper. How to lower this high level of insulin? Balanced diet. Did you write on balanced diet? Okay. I will ask this question in another way. How to treat insulin resistance? Balanced diet. Same meaning only. Please write it down. Please teach your children. Very important. Balanced diet. Right? So, I want to ask you a single question. You understood that high blood sugar, BP, bad cholesterol, fatty liver, PCOD, PCOS, hormone problem. The reason for all the 5 diseases is insulin resistance. And you know that the treatment of insulin resistance is balanced diet. Today, in the whole world, people are not following the balanced diet for all the diseases, and they are eating tablets for sugar, BP, cholesterol, fatty liver, PCOD, and many people are even injecting insulin. And finally leading into all the unnecessary complications. Shame. This is the most pitiable in the world. That's why I told you this is the best video in the world. Did you understand? You go through the video once more, think, then you will understand what is the correct treatment for high blood sugar, balanced diet. What is the correct treatment for blood pressure? Balanced diet. What is the correct treatment for bad cholesterol? Balanced diet. What is the correct treatment for fatty liver? Balanced diet. What is the correct treatment for PCOD, PCOS, hormone problems and irregular periods in females? Balanced diet. Without doing correction of this, shame. So many people are eating these unnecessary tablets and injecting insulin and dying with all the complications. See, high insulin causes atherosclerosis. Please write it down. You will understand. High insulin causes atherosclerosis. I'll explain what is atherosclerosis. Did you write it down? High insulin causes atherosclerosis. High insulin is very, very, very dangerous. Atherosclerosis means, see, there is a blockage, right? This block is, did you see this block in the artery? This blockage is called atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis means blockage in artery, A-R-T-E-R-Y. In heart means coronary artery. Atherosclerosis means blockage in the artery. If blockage happens in the heart vessel, what will happen? Heart attack, sometimes death also. That is why I am telling you, high insulin, that is atherosclerosis, very, 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 very dangerous. If you want to escape from all the tablets, and if you want to escape from insulin, if you want to escape from stroke, if you want to escape from eye damage, blindness, if you want to escape from heart attack, you must eat your home food in a balanced form with correct amount of healthy fat, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates and protein. So balanced diet is the key. You go through the video once more, you will understand and you will say that this is the best video in the world. I have made it understand so superbly. See, already 70 kgs for this boy, 140 kgs to 70 kgs. The speciality of my weight loss clinic. No protein powder, no tablets, no juice, no running, no skipping, no treadmill, no protein powder, nothing. I give only balanced diet chart. Please save this video, teach your children, teach your wife, teach your husband, and don't forget to share this video to the world. This is the great awareness video which you have to share the world. I have explained bit by bit. You will understand everything. Just write it down, everything, teach it. Okay. So stay tuned with Dr. Shiban.